Star 107.5. It's your man City City Night Show. In the studio, I have the Afrocentric cheerleaders.
Hey, it's Denasia, senior, passing over to my girl.
Hey, I'm Landa, I'm a senior, I'm passing it to my girl.
Hey, I'm Laura, I'm a sophomore, passing it over to my girl.
Hey, I'm Naja, I'm a freshman, passing it to my girl.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Ayana, I'm a senior, passing it to the captain.
Hey, I'm Amira, passing it over to my co-captain.
Hey, I'm Sienna, passing it over to Shavs.
Hey, I'm Shabiana, and I'm a senior, and I'm also team leader, passing it over to my home in City.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Now check it out. Y'all got a game tomorrow. Who y'all play?
Ridge.
So how bad y'all gonna beat Ridge?
Man,
Man, let's
no telling.
let them surprise us.
And are y'all players ready?
We can get them.
Are y'all coaches ready? Is the team ready?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Walnut Ridge, watch out for Afrocentric. Just stay focused, man. And just know that young African women, y'all hold your key in your hand to every door, any door. Right now, you're getting hired first. Right now, you're getting the better jobs over your competitors. All you got to do is study and just be focused. And please, 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 ladies going to college, the senior and stuff like that, the freshmen coming into high school, just learning yourself and stuff like that. Please, 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 please continue to act like young ladies and be young ladies.
City.